In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your X account to Binance. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or a seasoned investor, linking your social media accounts can offer you an enhanced experience on the platform. So, let's dive into the process, guided step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Binance account. You can do this by visiting the Binance website on your desktop or by using the Binance mobile app on your smartphone. Enter your login credentials carefully, as being meticulous at this stage ensures your account's security. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate your way to your profile settings. On most platforms, Binance included, your profile icon is situated at the upper right corner of your screen. Give this icon a click, and a drop-down menu should appear, offering you a variety of options to choose from. In this drop-down menu, you're going to want to locate the Social Links section. This part of your profile is designed to help you manage your connections with social media platforms. Selecting this option will take you to a new page dedicated to managing these social links. At this stage, you're ready to bind your X account to Binance. Within the Social Links section, search for the option that allows you to link your X account. Now, it's possible that a prompt will appear, asking you to log in to your X account. Go ahead and enter your X account credentials. This step is crucial for authorizing the connection securely. After you've logged in and authorized the connection, your X account will be ready to be linked. This is a relatively straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure that you're logged into the correct accounts at each step to avoid any confusion down the line. The authorization verifies your identity and confirms that you indeed want to establish this link between your X and Binance accounts. With authorization complete, the final step is to confirm that the link has been successfully established. Your X account should now appear as a linked account on your Binance profile. This integration not only allows you to share your trades and market insights more seamlessly with your social media followers, but also may enhance your overall experience by streamlining connectivity between platforms. Remember, linking social media to your trading account should always be done carefully, with attention to security and privacy. By following these steps, you should now be able to enjoy the benefits of an integrated Binance and X experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Binance support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.